Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at NVDA, AMD, and Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or go to my website and sign up. It's free. All right, let's go into NVIDIA, guys. Daily chart right into the 750. We did get above this pivot a little bit here, but we are back above the MAs. Strong stance. 20 MA, and we confirmed with a little bit of follow-through. Volume was a little bit weaker, but I'll take it as a bull. I mean, I'm not a bull, but as on the bullish side. But we are into the 750 retrace, guys, so a little bit of resistance up in this area. Needs to continue following through. I'm waiting for pattern now. I'm going to see if this goes sideways, setting up for the next move up, and we'll get that possibly. If this goes sideways and starts to slip, then we'll watch for that as well. So right now we're going to wait for pattern, see where this thing can go. If it continues up, then we're looking for the next pivot. 161.91, or we're going to look for the pattern and how it sets up here, or does it just slip and come right back in? So right now it's not telling us too much other than it got back above the 20 MA, and let's see how far it can shoot from here. We are going into earnings season, so this thing could shoot up 50 bucks, it could drop 50 bucks, 50-50 shot. I don't know, don't care. Just want to try to capture the moves when this thing moves up or down. So watch for that. Again, guys, above the 20 MA, slightly bullish stance, so this can continue up. Let's see what pattern it gives us in the next couple days. Let's go to AMD. AMD 8 cents up, not a great showing. Volume was at 71 million, so we did come back up, filled the gap, 750, just like NVIDIA, guys. Nice 4-day, 5-day rally, big into big resistance. Gap fill up here too. It's got to start going, guys. Got to start getting more volume than this. See how it's drying up each day. I mean, it's a little by little drying up. But again, volume on the SPY, 50 million. You get an okay. I mean, it's a flat day overall. But stocks like this will continue higher. 8 cents up. If you're a bull, you'll take it. But still above the 20, the 50, and the 200, just like NVIDIA. Strong stance. Now let's see if we go sideways up. Do we go up a little bit more than sideways? Maybe get it above gap fill here. Maybe try to recapture this pivot around 1465. If it cannot get above this range here or this channel, then it's going to come right back down and just keep doing this until maybe news comes out, good or bad. That will determine whether this thing goes up or down. So right now, though, bullish stance. Let's wait for pattern. Let's see where this thing could possibly go. I still think we're going down. Slightly bullish or bearish pattern here overall. Inside bar needs to get above these areas. If it doesn't, then it's just chopping down, setting up for lower prices. Needs to get above here if you're bullish, and then shoot for the 1555, 1622, and then higher from there. If it could get through that, then maybe higher prices. If it cannot get through these areas up here and just keeps hitting them and coming back, eventually it's going to hit them, come back, and then start breaking down. That's what they usually do. So again, great trading vehicle on AMD. I love it. We shorted it right back here, took it off. Haven't had a position since, but I get a lot of emails on this saying, hey, where do you think this thing's going? So that's why I'm pumping out the videos on this. It's been pretty good so far, though. I mean, it's been following what we've been showing. So keep watching, guys. Appreciate it. Tesla, daily chart, 11 million on the day. Is it 11 million, right? Yeah, 11 million on the day. $11.17 up. We hit the gap fill right at 303.81 or so. Boom, we had this little trend line down here too, and bam, takes off. Gets a little tail. The bearish pattern that we've been going sideways kind of defaults. Bulls can't help themselves. They've been sitting for 3 days, getting trigger finger happy, and boom, they triggered it today. And maybe a little short squeeze too. You got to think if you're short here, you're trying to wait for a little lower prices. We get a little squeeze. Some of them cover. Maybe we start getting up here again, filling the gaps. We'll have to see what happens. One step at a time, guys. We're still holding this area, but we're coming back into some really good resistance up here. Trend line, 50 MA. You got gap window, gap fill. So either way, up or down, great support, great resistance. Let's see what kind of a pattern develops here. This was a great follow-through day on here, so this could lead to higher prices. Let's see if it does. Markets are strong. This should help. Or even just 50, 60 million on a SPY where they're doing nothing all day, this should keep grinding. If the markets tend to sell a little bit, it will be a market trade. This will tend to probably fall just like the rest of the market. So it's a market trade right now on the light volume. If heavy volume comes in, most likely selling will occur in the overall indexes and in the overall equities. You'll still get some stuff on earnings. Don't forget about earnings, guys. Tesla, AMD, they're all going into it. You don't want to get stuck with these things on the wrong side with heavy positions. If you're going to go into any position on a swing trade into earnings or options, just make sure you have something left in the tank to buy calls, buy puts, write calls, write puts, something to protect that trade or hedge against it. That's what we do at StockBookie.com. So right now, though, we're below this trend line, which was big. It's got to get above it, guys. We might come right in and come right back down. If we do that and stay in this lower range and chop, we most likely are setting up for lower prices. A little bit weak below the 20 and the 50. It's got to get it back above these guys if you're bullish and go for the all-time highs. Earnings will help that matter, or earnings can be even worse and comes right back in. Right now, it's a 50-50 shot. Going into earnings, they can run it up, or they could just hold it here, because people are like, well, let's see how earnings are. You know, I'm going to nibble on it, but let's see what happens. If it goes up, they'll all chase it. We'll be looking up here to add to our shorts or possibly write some calls. I am in a short position in Tesla. We did take some puts too, killed it on those, so that was good. God, it was funny. I just gave it a stupid shot. I took July 21st 275s. I was like, I'll take 400 bucks worth, whatever. When they hit here, guys, they were up like 600%. I didn't get the complete move. I was starting to dump out around 400%, and then boom, got it. So it was a good trade. Made up for my crappy short trade on Tesla. Actually, I was actually in the money on Tesla down in here. And then it popped up there. So, but I made a bunch of money on this one here. $400, 600%, I think it was. I don't know, 5 something, whatever it was. It was a hell of a trade, but made a couple grand, and that made up for the short trade. Now I'm in the money on Tesla, so now if this thing comes down, I'm going to make even more on the swing trade. So that's how we play it here at StockBookie.com. If you like what you see, subscribe, go to the website, sign up. It's free. And follow me on StockTwits too. We've been banging out some good trades there as well. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you have a great night. God bless. See you on the charts.